This is a well-produced and informative script that effectively blends scientific authority with respectful, relationship-focused advice. Here's a breakdown of its strengths and structure. Strengths: authoritative and empathetic tone. The speaker, Dr. Narita, establishes credibility, urologist, 12 years experience, while immediately addressing a common male anxiety with empathy. The message is, this is a common, solvable issue, not a personal failure. Science-backed framing, using 3D imaging, ultrasound, and 2022 study transforms the topic from subjective opinion to objective, learnable science. This reduces awkwardness and provides a rationale for the advice. Clear structure and practical advice. Problem defined. Highlights the pleasure gap, men versus women climaxing, and correctly identifies the biological cause, clitoral stimulation. Solution provided. Offers 4 specific positions, each broken down into biology, the physical mechanism, emotion, the psychological benefit, and practice, how to do it. Bonus tools. Mentions angling, shallowing, and pairing with external stimulation crucial practical tips. Audience awareness. Perfectly targets men in their 40s-60s who may be facing changes and frustrations, reframing age as wisdom and patience. The call to strengthen relationships appeals to a mature, committed mindset. Strong call to action, CTA, asks for likes, comments, and subscribes in a way that fosters community, global community of men. Positive reframing. The core message shifts the goal from performance, scoreboard of climaxes, to shared exploration and connection. This is psychologically healthy and takes pressure off both partners. Structure summary, ideal for a video. Hook, directly addresses a vulnerable, common experience. Problem and credibility, states the data, introduces the speaker's authority, and validates the viewer's feelings. The lie and the truth, contrasts cultural myths. Lasting longer equals satisfaction with biological reality, clitoral focus. The solutions. #4. Sitting face-to-face, emotional connection. Number A. Coital Alignment Technique, grinding, synchronized rhythm. Number A. Missionary with pillow, simple, effective adjustment. Number A. Woman on top, gold standard for clitoral blood flow. Pro tips: angling, shallowing, pairing. Empowering conclusion and core philosophy. Reiterates communication over perfection, connection over performance. Final CTA and sign-off. Directs to comments, subscribe, and ends with a caring, empowering message. Minor considerations. Coital Alignment Technique. This is likely a phonetic misspelling of Coital Alignment Technique, CAT, a well-documented technique. Using the correct term would aid viewer research. Logo image request. The ending line comment below with logo image seems out of place or like a production note that accidentally remained in the script. It should be removed for a final version. Visuals. This script heavily relies on strong visuals to work graphics showing blood flow, anatomical diagrams, discrete animations of positions, etc. The spoken script is a guide for what those visuals must convey. Overall impression. This is a highly effective, professional, and responsible script for a sensitive topic. It educates without being clinical, empowers without assigning blame, and promotes intimacy and communication. It successfully reframes a potential source of insecurity into an opportunity for deeper connection and confident learning. Final note: if produced with high-quality, tasteful visuals and delivered with the warm, authoritative tone suggested, this would be an exceptional piece of educational content in the men's health and wellness space.